Okay, ready? It's going.
Wait, yeah, my phone records longer.
Huh?
My phone records longer.
So doesn't, no, mine does too.
You changed it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ooh. Oh, I wish I would have got the big one. With the big rock. Okay, ready? Oh!
Okay, let me get this one. Oh my god, we're done, we're done.
We just like mutilated that bird from the inside out.
Yeah, you cracked it in half.
Yeah. I wish I could see on the front. At first I thought that was Dean.
It should be.
It should be Dean. Oh, I was just looking for my phone.
I did it yesterday. Cindy was like, do something. I was like, where the fuck is my phone? I flipped out. And she didn't even tell me she had it. I'm sitting there like, where the fuck is
Is she
my phone?
recording or something?
I think so.
I'm crossing.
I think she was watching the videos. And I even heard the videos. I'm like, where the fuck is my phone?
I'm recording you.
Well, that was creepy.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
What? What?
Ew. 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 There's something stuck on my foot.
Okay, there's a car.
Oh my god, Mallory, I just almost died.
You did.
Oh.
Balls.
Holy mackerel. Holy macaroni and cheese balls, man.
Macaroni and cheese balls. That's delicious.
Cheese balls. I'm recording you.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, for real. And I fucking broke my sunglasses. Yeah, I fixed them after you sat on them again, and someone ripped them apart.
What the hell?
So I totally need brand new ones.
That whole screw up that, if anyone watches this, was me putting on my sunglasses. Sorry. Just gotta say that.
All those MySpace freaks out there.
Yeah.
Making me watch videos. I'm out of breath. I feel like a fat person from the flight of fucking stairs. Fuck.
It's only a hill. A small hill.
Yeah,
Oh,
well, that just
jaywalking.
shows how fat I am.
We can make it.
We can make it.
Oh, we can make it.